Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie. So today we'll be looking at the if function in Microsoft Excel. If function, that is IF function in Microsoft Excel. So the if function is one of the most important logical functions we have in Microsoft Excel. It is used to test for a condition and returns one value if the condition is true and another value if the condition is false. Okay, so let's take for instance we have the total score here and we want to know the students that passed and the ones that failed. How do you do this? This is where I want my result to be. So I'll select the cell and then of course I'll go to formula. It's a logical function, so you go to your logical and then you select if. Okay, now as soon as don't mind what I have there. As soon as you select if, now it's asking for the logical test. What is the test? Okay, so now I want the computer to check the total score of Nkiru Emecheta if the total score is greater, if the total score is greater than 60, the computer should return true. Okay, and if it's not greater than 60, the computer should return fail, or you can say pass and fail. Can you see? Okay, so I want you to notice something. We have the apostrophe there. Can you see apostrophe? Okay, so pass is typed before and after an apostrophe. The same thing, fail before and after apostrophe. When you're done entering this, just click OK. All right, so you see what we have. And the beauty of Excel, okay, when you just go to the box by the right side, as you can see, just left click and you drag. Okay, so automatically Excel will calculate others. If we go to the second one, that is for our days in Madu, you will notice that instead of D2 now we have D3. If you go to the next one, instead of D3 we have D4. So the computer has automatically calculated this for us. Okay, so now the next thing, still on the if function, I'll be showing you how to calculate students grade. Okay, it's a logical function. So how do you do this? Now, the formula is, of course, before you start any formula, the first thing is equal to sign, and then I have if. Okay, I'll open the brackets. Now, this is the range where I am using. Okay, so if a student scores anything greater than 79, I want the student to have grade A. Okay, so just like that. So this is what I am about to show you how to do right now. Okay, so how do you do this? Just like we speak our English language, so I'll tell the computer if D2, by D2 I mean if the total score of the student is, are you following? So if D2 is greater than 79, then I mean comma, okay? The students should have A, and then I close it back, okay? Now, but I'm starting another logical test now. If, okay, I'll open the bracket again. D2 is greater than, the second one is what? Can you see? The second one is 59. Is greater than 59. Then the student should score B. Are you following? Okay. But if D2 is greater than, the third one is 49, then the student should score C. Okay, So just like that, and you put up all your arguments and your logical test. Okay, if D2 is greater than 39 this time, then the student should score D. Okay, if D2 is greater than 30, then the student should score E. Now, at the last part, if all these are not true, the computer should return F. Can you see that? Now, I have opened how many brackets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to now close all. Okay, so see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. And then I'll click enter. Okay, so now if you look here, this is the function, the formula I have entered, and just like we did for pass and fail, I'll just click and drag down. Okay, and automatically all will be calculated. Beautiful. If I click on the second one, which is for Ades and Madu, you will notice that instead of D2, the computer has entered D3. Okay, so this is how we use the if function in Microsoft Excel. Hope this helps. Thank you very much for listening. My name is Stephanie. Remember to send me your work and your questions, and I promise as always to give you a constructive feedback. Thank you very much.